Hello guys! Today, we're gonna make Biko. Biko is a Filipino rice cake made from glutinous rice, coconut milk, coconut cream, brown sugar, pandan leaves for the aroma, ginger for a little bit of spice, and sea salt to bring out the caramelly taste of brown sugar. Let's start making Biko. First, wash the glutinous rice 2 to 3 times until the water is clearer. Drain it and add some pandan leaves. Then, 2 cups of water to cook. Cook it on low heat or just put it on the rice cooker. Mine, I just use the rice cooker for saving my time. While the rice is cooking, we're gonna make the latik. First, we turn on the flame. Then, add 1 cup of coconut cream. We're gonna wait it until it boils. I just scrape the excess parts. So now you see it's boiling. You just keep stirring. Now you can see the oil is separating. We'll continue cooking until it's brown. Now that it's brown, we're gonna strain it. Here's the latik. We're done with the latik. Now the rice is also cooked. Now what we're gonna do is to remove the leaves. Carefully remove the leaves or else you're gonna get burned. And scrape the rice to make it fluffy. Now we're gonna set aside. Afterwards, in a large wok or pan, pour the coconut milk and ginger in low heat. And add the ginger. Let's wait until it boils. Once boiling, add the brown sugar, mix well until it's fully dissolved. Now we're gonna remove the ginger. Cook in low heat until it's thickened. Our latik sauce has thickened. Now we're gonna put some salt before it's fully thickened. Keep stirring until it's fully thickened. Now our latik sauce is now fully thickened. Gonna put the rice. Careful. Stir and mix well until it's fully combined. Continue cooking until the sauce dries up and becomes sticky. Now you can see our biko is almost ready. Now our biko is cooked, and now we're gonna grease this container first. This this is from the latik earlier. That's the coconut oil already. So we just brush it off like this. Now we're gonna put the biko into the container. And stop it off with latik. And here is our final biko. Thank you guys for watching.